Hello, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the inspiring story of a remarkable businessman titled The Phoenix, A Tale of Resilience. But before we dive into the story, I kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share them with your friends. Now, without further ado, let's begin our journey into the life of a determined entrepreneur who rose from the ashes of failure to achieve success. The Phoenix, A Tale of Resilience. Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling city, there lived a man named David. David was a bright and ambitious businessman with dreams as big as the skyscrapers that towered above him. From a young age, he had envisioned himself as a successful entrepreneur making waves in the business world. David's journey began with a small startup, a tech company he had founded with his own savings and a lot of hope. He poured his heart and soul into his venture, working tirelessly day and night to turn his dreams into reality. But success, it seemed, was elusive. Despite David's best efforts, his business struggled to gain traction. Competition was fierce and setbacks were aplenty. Financial troubles loomed large and doubts crept into David's mind. He watched helplessly as his dreams crumbled before his eyes. With mounting debts and dwindling prospects, David found himself at rock bottom. It was a dark and uncertain time, and he felt like he had hit rock bottom. But in the depths of despair, David found a flicker of hope, a spark of resilience that refused to be extinguished. Determined to rise from the ashes of failure, David picked himself up and dusted himself off. He knew that success was not a destination but a journey, one that required perseverance, grit, and unwavering determination. David began to pivot his approach, exploring new opportunities and learning from his past mistakes. He sought guidance from mentors and surrounded himself with a supportive network of friends and family who believed in him when he couldn't believe in himself. Slowly but surely, David's efforts began to bear fruit. His business started to gain traction, attracting attention from investors and customers alike. With each small victory, David's confidence grew, fueling his determination to keep pushing forward. As the years passed, David's startup blossomed into a thriving enterprise, surpassing even his wildest dreams. He diversified his portfolio, expanded his reach, and became a respected figure in the business community. But for David, success was not just measured in profits and accolades. It was measured in the lessons learned, the challenges overcome, and the lives touched along the way. He knew the value of failure, for it had taught him resilience, humility, and the true meaning of success. Today, David stands tall as a shining example of resilience and determination. His journey serves as a beacon of hope for aspiring entrepreneurs facing their own struggles, reminding them that failure is not the end, but merely a stepping stone on the path to greatness. And so, like the mythical phoenix rising from the ashes, David emerged from the depths of despair to soar to new heights, his spirit unbroken, his dreams realized, and his legacy secure for generations to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Your support means the world to me, and it helps my channel grow.